Happy Sunday, my love. Good morning. Did you have a good sleep last night? Did you? You're so pretty in the morning. Where's my Maro? Come here, Maro. Maro, come here. Show your face. Come on. Come on. Where is my Maro? Ouch. Ouch. You're stepping on me. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. I love you. Where's my Maro? Here he is. Where have you been, Maro? So early in the morning you wake up. And then, what did you do? You wake up so early you went outside already? You went party already in the morning? What about Angel? She can stay in the bed all day if she wanted to. You are a cute mommy. You smell so good. You smell so good, my love. Okay, we gotta get up. We gotta get up. We gotta get up. We gotta get up. I know. Thank you for the kisses. Ooh, I love it. All right, we gotta get up. So cute. Hi. Show yourself to the camera, baby. You're not shy no more. She ain't shy no more. But she's still lovey. She's still lovey. Cute. Okay, bye.